Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in 2 months and I decided to film right now because my parents bully me and they're like, you're not the same anymore, you don't edit anymore, you haven't learned anything new. My face, I only get views at the videos that I don't like, for example morning routine, night routine, and I just don't like doing them. It was tiring because I would spend like a whole day for a 5-minute video. Like I'm genuinely being for real. I would wake up at 7 a.m. and then let's say at 10 a.m. I would start editing, and then of course I'd have a bit of breaks to poop or to pee or to fart, but then I would just go sit on the computer, nothing more than that, and I would not go out. Like if my neighbors asked me to go outside, I would refuse because I just wouldn't want to because I had to edit. In today's video, as you can tell, I'm literally dressed as Margaret. Yesterday was her birthday. Happy birthday! I say that as if she's gonna see this, but maybe she does. I love you. Also, I'm trying to speak quietly because my sister is in her room and she's speaking to... I can't. I don't know why I feel like I'm trapped in a room. The only source of light is my window and this thing, and it looks pretty dark. I don't really like it. Last time I used like the really perfect shade of pink on my eyes, but I gave away that eyeshadow palette and like a lot of my makeup supplies because I don't use them anymore, and I realized, you know, one day I'm gonna die and I'm never gonna use these stuff. Otherwise they're gonna sit here just waiting to be used and nobody's gonna pick you up unless I give them. I don't have a sponge. Oh, actually I lied, I do. Smells so good. Oh, bye Freckles, I'm gonna miss you. Guys, for Halloween I'm being Mia Winters. Guys, I'm so excited. Last year I wanted to be Mia Winters, but I didn't have it planned and I was like, okay, I'm gonna be Cassandra. Ew, guys, do you see this? Do you see my nose? Guys, honestly, I think my videos have been like really unfunny lately and that I'm actually a really unfunny person now. I just feel like I can't make anybody laugh anymore. So that's funny. I don't know, I was watching my old videos. Now, what I'm gonna do is apply blush because she has a really pink vibe, you know? She's just pink. Oh, look, I had a... What the f... Guys, look, I have a superpower. Yellow. I can't turn my head on this part for some reason. Wait. Look how pretty that shine is. Now I apply the blush. I just realized something, that I decided to open myself up and give like people from my class, like I was like, yeah, I have a YouTube channel. I don't know why I did that because honestly I regret it. I don't want people to know what I'm doing. I'm sorry. Like if you see this, I'm sorry. This is a message. Like I don't care if... Actually, this is for all my family relatives. Can you please stop watching my YouTube videos? Just click off this video. It's nothing interesting because I'm Gen Z, you know? You wouldn't get my jokes. So you can go watch your cooking shows. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the eyeshadow. But the thing is that I don't have the same pink color anymore. I think. I don't know. This wig is kind of pissing me off because it looks like trash, but you know what else looks like trash? This face right here. I really like this palette. Thanks, sister, for giving it to me. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this shimmer. I love Pupa. She's so cute. Thumbs up to Pupa. Whoa. She is really strong. Okay, I don't really know what else to add. Oh, the lip combo. I forgot. Oh, this is perfect. Why am I acting like I saw magic? This isn't magic, this is just a lip gloss. Okay, so the last step is going to be adding mascara. Oh my god, why are we on a pink theme over here? Like we pink. Oh my god, my paintbrushes are pink. This is so crazy, guys. I'm gonna color my lip. My lash color isn't pink. I don't like how mascara looks on me. I genuinely think I look so much better without it, but sometimes you just gotta accept that maybe you just should shut up. Like genuinely, like I need to shut up sometimes. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna go and remove the mascara that I smudged under my eye, and I think I'm ready. I think contract. What is this? this. Actually, I really like how I look with my hair like this. I love when hairstyles look like you woke up from a nap. Like, I don't know, I saw it on some runway. I forgot what runway. Their hair looked like very loose at the end, instead of like those perfect, you know, stuff. Like, you know, not everything has to be perfect. Like, literally nobody has to be perfect, but I really want to be perfect. That's not possible. So we're gonna redo my hair because it got messy. We don't like messy. Hi. Okay, I'm back. I've been filming for 48 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna end this. Good. Okay, bye. As you could have guessed, I never filmed an outro because I never do. Yeah, what am I even supposed to say? Goodbye. I don't know why I'm filming this because nobody watches the videos till the end except for me, because I'm the person editing this and I should watch like every single video footage that I have of me filming, but it's okay. Goodbye. If you guys like thought I was dead, it's maybe because you guys probably don't follow me on TikTok. I literally post everything on TikTok. I post my edits because I edit like almost daily, and that's one of the reasons I haven't really posted on YouTube anymore, because I realized, hey, I liked editing, but editing like, you know, characters and like stuff for TikTok, not YouTube, takes so much shorter, and I get attention from them. And it's not about attention because that's not a problem here, but you know, when you've been doing YouTube for like 2 years, almost 3, you're starting to wonder, hey, what am I doing wrong? Because I really want YouTube to be like a little part-time career job thing, because I see people like getting these opportunities and being able to make money out of stuff they love doing. YouTube is something that I like doing.